Welcome back, graduates. So today we're going to show you how to add a EG cart goal. Now the reason why this cart goal is going to be very powerful is because it's going to show to your customers that they've reached this cap or this threshold, and then they'll be able to have released or captured free shipping afterwards. It's a cool little animated bar, simple, easy to use, and so it's going to look like this. When you go into here, congrats, you're eligible for free shipping, and you can change this. We give you the settings to change the cap, the pricing, things like that. But as of right now, it looks like this. So if you have Dawn or Dawn 6.0 or higher, you're not going to have the cart goal. But if you do have the super cart goal or super cart checkout that we've created for you, it already comes with it. So this is just for people who don't really have, who don't want to have all of the perks, the upsells, all those things, but just the cart goal, just the threshold. So we isolated that and gave you the code for it. So it'll look like this. And if I remove based on right there, now I believe I set it for 100. You can set whatever you want for it, and it will just kind of calculate it. And then if I continue, it'll adjust the pricing as well, and it'll decrease.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go! So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your theme right here. You're going to go into the themes, and it's on here. So I'm just going to show you on this Dawn version, and it doesn't have anything right here. So I'm just going to go and edit the code. And as always, you're going to be given the README file that looks like this. And in that README file, you're going to have two files here, the installation guide, and then also the snippet for the cart goal itself. So first and foremost, what it's going to tell me is upload the snippet EG cart goal or cart goal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here, and I am in this code editor right now, and I'm going to go into my snippets, and you'll see I don't have EG cart goal, so I'm just going to create a new snippet, EG cart goal, and I'm going to save it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this RTF file right over here, and it'll look something like this. If you have VS Code, if you have Emmet, Atom, it does open up there too. Notepad++ is a great alternative as well. Let us know if you have any issues opening that. We'll definitely provide the support. Just email us at hello@ecomgraduates.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this snippet, and the last thing I'm going to do is then I'm going to render this in the theme.liquid. Remember, this is only for a Dawn 6 or higher, so just make sure of that. So I'm just going to take this and put it under the section footer. So in here, I'm going to go into theme.liquid, go all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to see footer, and I'm just going to add it there. So since we've added, it in the theme editor and also in the EG cart goal, right over here, you'll notice at the very top that there is the goal amount, which is 100. So it's basically saying that once a customer reaches 100, then they've released and unlocked free shipping. You can always change this by just changing it in here, the code, to $50, to 120, however, whatever the number you want. So right over here, then when I'm in the theme editor, you'll see that I have, let's say now 8064, it's going to calculate and show that I'm 1936 away from free shipping, which equals out to $100. So if you need to change it at all, just go back into the EG cart goal snippet itself and just change this amount right over here. You can change the text as well, but just make sure to keep it between the two quotations, and the amount keep the same in the bracket, and then you can change out this text as well. So again, right here, this is the price, and that's the only thing you'll really have to realistically change out here. But what we've done is, you know, if in case you didn't want the super e.g. super cart drawer, or if you just wanted this cart goal even in Dawn 6 or Dawn 5 or lower, you can have that as well, this feature. Hope you'll like it, and I think it works really well. Increase it, you can play around with it, and then congrats, you know, I've reached over 100, so now I've reached free shipping, which is a really cool feature because, you know, you can A/B test and see, you know, what if you want to sell a product that's higher but get free shipping, or if you sell a product that's lower and charge free shipping. So there's things to test about that. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you need help, reach out to hello@ecomgraduates.com and we'll be sure to help you out. Thank you so much.